this is a list of some important minerals. You can see I have given the list of important minerals of aluminium, iron, copper and zinc. More minerals you will learn in the later part of this topic. Aluminium, I have given a list of 2. Bauxite is an important ore of aluminium. It is a dihydrate Al2O3.2H2O. Kaolinite is a aluminosilicate. It's an aluminosilicate Al2O3.2SiO2 and .2H2O. And the important ores are iron pyrites. This is let me tell you, this is the chief ore of aluminium. And then iron has iron pyrites, FeS2, sulfide ore. Hematite, we don't prefer using this because this will produce lots of SO2 during extraction and that will cause pollution. So we generally don't prefer sulfide ores. When you have another option, we don't prefer sulfide ore, right? So hematite is a chief ore of iron. We prefer extracting iron from hematite. Then you have siderite, it is a carbonate ore of iron, and then magnetite is Fe3O4. Fe3O4 actually is an addition compound containing Fe2O3 and FeO. This is called as magnetic oxide of iron. It's an addition compound, right? Copper, the important ores of copper, this is a sulfide ore called as copper glans. Copper pyrites is also called as chalcopyrites. It is also called as chalcopyrites. It is a sulfide ore, but this becomes the chief ore of copper. We don't have a better option than this. And then malachite is basic cupric carbonate. Cuprite is oxide ore of copper. And then ores of zinc. Calamine is a carbonate ore of zinc. Zincite is an oxide ore, and zinc blende is sulfide ore of zinc, and this is the chief ore of zinc. Zinc is mainly extracted from zinc blende. Copper is mainly extracted from copper pyrites, also called as chalcopyrites. Iron is extracted from hematite ore, and aluminium is mainly extracted from its bauxite ore. So you may get a question like this: which of these is the chief ore of copper, or which of these is the chief ore of iron? So you should be able to answer such questions based on this list, and I have indicated the chief ore for each case.